Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to answer a very big question. We use it every single day, but do we actually know how the internet works? Many people think the internet is in the sky or in the clouds, but the truth is 99% of the internet is actually under the ground and under the ocean. Today I will take you on a journey. We will follow your data from your phone all the way to a server across the world. Imagine you are sending a message on WhatsApp. Your phone converts that message into digital signals. These travel as radio waves to your Wi-Fi router. This router is like a local postman. It collects your data and sends it forward. This is the only part of the journey that is wireless. After this, everything travels through physical wires. Your router is connected to a wire that goes out of your house. This wire connects you to your ISP or Internet Service Provider. In India, this is Jio, Airtel or your local cable operator. The wire connecting your home to the ISP is called the last mile. Your ISP takes your data and puts it onto a much bigger network, the National Highway of Data. Inside India, we have a massive network called the National Fiber Backbone. These are thick glass cables buried deep underground. We do not send electricity through them, we send light. These cables connect cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. To go outside India, your data reaches coastal cities like Mumbai or Chennai. This is where the land ends and the ocean begins. How does your data reach America? It goes through submarine cables. These are massive, thick cables laid on the bottom of the ocean floor. They connect continents. Every 100 kilometers, there is a repeater to boost the signal. These cables are protected from ships and anchors so that your internet never stops. Next time your internet slows down, don't think once, don't think twice. Just imagine that deep under the dark ocean, a shark might be trying to take a bite out of your YouTube video. It sounds like a joke, but it actually happens. Sharks are attracted to the magnetic fields of these cables. So before you restart your router for the 10th time, just hope the sharks are not hungry today. Finally, your data reaches a data center. This is a giant warehouse full of powerful computers called servers. The server finds the video you want and chops it into thousands of tiny pieces called packets. Each packet has your IP address, which is like your home's postal address. These packets rush back through the undersea cables, through your ISP, and finally reach your phone. Your phone puts the pieces together and the video plays. So the next time you watch a video, remember, your data traveled thousands of kilometers under the sea just for you. If you like this simple explanation, please hit the like button. Tell me in the comments, what should I explain next? Don't forget to subscribe to my new tech journey. See you in the next one.